Alright, boss, so what'd you bring me in here for?
Cupid, I gotta be honest with you. You know I'm a man of honesty. I'm a man of love. I gotta keep it real with you, you know. These past few months, you just haven't been performing to peak efficiency, and our standards for the company are quite high, and, I don't know,
Boss. So Valentine's Day is only on February.
Cupid, don't argue with me, all right? The people that fell out of love with their Halloween candy, that was a problem. And what about Mrs. Claus with Mr. Claus? That relationship is already tottering, and you're not there to perform. What am I supposed to think?
Boss, after everything we've been through.
No, Cupid, it's not you, it's me. We're gonna have to let you go.
I can't believe he fired me. Me! After everything I've done. Ooh. I gotta spread the love!
Hey, what's with the face? You barely touched your food.
Alright, I don't know, I don't love eating, or food even, anymore.
So you've lost your love for eating?
I have lost my love for eating.
I know how to help.
Oh.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Wait.
Okay, class, so we're gonna do a quick review. Yesterday we were learning about square roots. Would anybody like to come up and solve this problem? You, in the red.
Yeah, that's me. I've always been quite gifted in academics. Some call it a natural-born talent, a blessing if you will. There's not a question or a test that I haven't been able to absolutely ace. That was the sum of my reality, until I came face to face with a question that would shatter my perception of the world I resided in.
Bro, are you eating beans and rice in the library?
Yeah, it's just beans and rice.
You're having is that your favorite food?
I mean, it's all I've ever had. I don't know. I mean, it's just like,
That's your favorite thing to eat? It's beans and rice.
My favorite food?
This bean is uncooked.
That's an odd way to ask how to balance the quantum derivative of the lapse function between hypersurfaces.
Why?
But maybe my advanced intellect is simply overthinking the question, because that can't be what it means.
You know what?
I, alas, could not find the answer. Shocking, I know. However, I am not one to back down from a challenge. So, my journey commenced.
Well, if he's not gonna finish it, I will.
I began by enticing my palate with a variety of illustrious foods. At first, I expected rapid results. But soon discovered that this task would require me to delve deeper. As I ventured on, my curiosity only began to grow. Foods that I once saw as plain and ordinary suddenly had new potential. Combinations of food frowned upon by the public eye called to me. And who am I to refuse call? Apples and ketchup, pizza and ranch, orange juice and cereal, bring it on! How have I allowed myself to be restrained by only beans and rice? Years of my life I have been hiding in my comfort zone. Academics, of course. And all this time, under the IQ and brilliance of it all, my taste buds were yearning for something new, something flavorful. And then, I found it.
I found it. I didn't know how long it was gonna take, but I found it. So many different flavors. And you know what it was? Cheesecake. That's it. That's my favorite food. It's cheesecake. It's crazy.
But what kind of cheesecake?
What do you mean?
What kind of cheesecake?
There's more?
Yeah.
Say, friend, is everything okay?
No, it's really not. I'm so incredibly distraught about golf right now. I don't love the sport anymore.
Oh, you know, I'm actually an expert at love. I can fix this.
Go! 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 Go!
I gotta say, as our new replacement, Cupid, we're proud to have you part of the team.